right, let's take a little trip down south to Southern California. Now, this yard is a drop yard down in Santa Fe Springs. It is basically it's just a drop yard for lots of different companies. I think Melissa Valley, is JB Hunt might be there, but Hub Transport and lots of Schneider trucks. Currently, there is a ton of Schneider trucks. Not right now, just a few. But no, I don't know when this picture got taken. As in, like all these containers here are gone, and maybe they're put over here. I believe. There's lots of. It's a crappy place. It really is a crappy place. Now, as you can see, you don't even have room to crank your landing gear. Now, but a lot of time there is. Um, so a lot of time too, if you want this trailer back here, you'd have to call the hostler, and whenever he's ready, he'll pull these trailers out for you. It's a sucky place. I did come here every single day, and well, again, the harder the place is, the better you are at backing. So I didn't have too much problem. But sometimes you're definitely going to have to back up all the way, presuming there is room and your mirror's clear, and it's just one of those things that you're going to have to deal with. All right. Jesus, it's so bad. It's so bad. Let's take a look at another picture for a second. Now, I don't know what year this was actually taken. This is from Bing Maps. Can you imagine trying to get this one trailer back here? How many trailers would you actually have to pull out? But same situation. You're just really close, but you you can get in there. I don't know. All you need is a foot and a half, as long as you can fit yourself in there. But anywho, so I have drawn up a level pretty similar to this. So I'm gonna kind of show you what is entitled in backing up in a really narrow alley, I suppose. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna stay nice and close over here. Now there isn't any trailers directly in front of the space. So a lot of time I would stop right here and kind of see what is directly over here. So I can get it. No, I can't quite get a perfect straight back. So let's go all the way to the left here, and yeah, it's gonna be fine. Now we just got to keep everything, hug everything on the right. Just keep hugging it, and in a second here, I'm gonna shoot off to the left. When I'm nearly pointing towards it, I crank it all the way to the right. Okay, looking good. I'm going to go ahead and start chasing it now. I just want to get a straight back going because I want to be able to see. If you have a straight back going, you can actually see what you're aiming towards. All right. Right now, if I keep my straight back going, I will be I'll hit this guy. So let's go ahead and turn slightly to the right. Now we're a good amount of distance away from it yet, so we have the time to do that. All right. Let's go all the way to the left now. Again, this would be the time to get another straight back just to see where you're pointing towards. All right, so we're pretty much at the start of the space. So let's turn to the right just a little bit because I just want the front of my trailer to shift to the right, and then the back will go to the left. All right, I'm trying to get myself nice in the center. Okay, so let's do it again. We are going to have to start fighting with our mirrors here because I don't want my mirror to hit these trailers. Now, it isn't the easiest thing in the world. There's too many things you got to look at. All right, but the handy thing about it, when you are driving in the real world, you are looking at your mirrors, so you're able to see your mirrors and the trailer at the same time and back here at the same time. Right now, with the game, you're going to have to look at the mirrors and then look back here. So it is different. It is different. It actually is a little bit easier in real life. Anyway, let's try our best. Okay, this is one of the harder levels. So we just gotta maintain like small movements. You can see my steering wheel just going really, like if I want to adjust something, I gotta do small, watching the mirror. Yeah, okay, so I'm not gonna be able to, because I'm not gonna be able to bring the front of my trailer to the right to bring the back of the trailer to the left. So we're going to have to readjust. All right, so I'm going to go off to the left. We can't turn too much. We're going to hug everything to the left. I'm going to keep, yeah, it's going to take a while actually to bring it over. Yeah, I might not even be able to, I think I'm going to have to completely leave. All right, that's fine. This is all about learning. So we're going to go off to the left. More. Okay, now to the right. Okay, I just want my rear end pointing a little bit more to the left, and that'll help me out a lot more. Okay, let's have a look. Yes, I think this will help. Let's try again. So again, small little maneuvering. Okay, it's hard to talk and do this at the same time. All right, looking much better. Small movements. If you do any big movements, you're going to hit something. Okay, we can take advantage of that little space right there. And I'm probably backing up a bit too fast too, but whatever. Oops, it is. I turned the steering wheel the wrong way. Let's see if I can make it. Now, I wouldn't recommend leaving it like that. I personally prefer to center it. But anyway, hey, we made it. Okay, that's it. Oh yeah, let's go to another parking space. I want to show you. So the other one, let's go ahead and where is it? Now this is quite a common one too. Well, this is a nice wide space, but the problem is that we can't set up for it. All right, I don't think can I pull a U-turn? I think I might be able to pull a U-turn in here. Okay, so there we go. Maybe in the game I'll have to add another trailer right here. Ooh, so we got to keep going. Oh, keep going, keep going, keep going. We have to get our rear end pointing back here. There we go. So this is a perfect setup. I love this. I love setting up in the straight back. Just like this. And that way I can see on both sides of the mirror. And slowly. Now I'll jackknife hard. Yeah, this is a nice wide space. I need to make this just a little bit harder. Yeah. Cool, cool, cool. We are in. Easy peasy. And yeah. Okay, that's it really for this one. All right, let's do that exact same back again, but I've added some trailers. Now, now we can't maneuver in there, so we're just gonna have to basically put a U-turn. Now I probably should have did it from the other direction, but whatever. It's gonna still be the same same result. I just want to get myself pointing towards there. Okay. Can't quite see it because it's so far away, but in the real world, you would be able to see that. I'm just going to do a straight back for now and see where I land. This would be nice if I could see where I was going. Now, in the game, you will be able to pan around by using 2 fingers. I just can't do it on the PC. Okay, that looks okay. It's pretty decent. I still like the setup. Now I'm going to turn slightly to the right just to start my jackknife a little bit. Oops, a bit too soon. I'm going to zoom in now so we can see a little better. Okay. Again, we still can't get our trailer pointing towards the space because if it is pointing directly to the space, then you're not going to be able to get it in because of the swing of the trailer. All right. I'm going to start jackknifing a little harder, all the way, and then see what happens. All right, a bit too soon. Okay. I'm just mostly pointing my steers straight. Okay, now I definitely want to turn hard. Now, again, when you are turning hard for a jackknife, you got to remember now, you eventually you will be dealing with this area with the front of your cab. Okay, all right, let's start chasing just a little bit, all the way, but just for a little bit. All right. Okay, now I can do a hard chase, because by the time I actually do straighten up, the trailer should be missing this guy. Yes, by a lot. All right, so I'm just going to keep it going. I can probably speed up just a little bit. Now, as you can see, I can't pull forward, so you just got to keep the steering wheel where it is. And we're going to get out of the way, and then it's going to keep holding it for a second, and then all the way to the right. There, maybe a little bit more. Okay, now I'm going to go off to the left. Not all the way because my hood will hit, and I still should miss this guy over here. Now we can start fully chasing it. And we're in. All right, a little harder than the last one, obviously, because I gave myself more obstacles. Anyway, okay, now for reals, I'm done.